Setting up a new product launch in ShopWired can be an overwhelming task if you don't know where to start. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can hit the ground running and avoid unnecessary complications. First, you'll need to log in to your ShopWired account. Once you're in, head over to the Products section. Here, you'll see the option to add a new product. Click on that, and you're ready to start setting up your product. The next thing you'll want to do is give your product a name. Keep it clear and concise because this is how your customers will identify it. After that, you'll need to enter a detailed product description. This is essential for SEO, so make sure you include key phrases that people are likely to search for when looking for your product. The more descriptive you can be, the better. The third thing to do is upload product images. Make sure the images are high quality and showcase the product from different angles. ShopWired allows you to upload multiple images for each product, so take advantage of this feature. It'll help your customers make more informed decisions, especially when they can't physically touch the product. Now, let's talk about pricing. Set your product price, including any discounts or offers. You'll also find options to set up your inventory here. This is crucial because you want to keep track of stock levels, and ShopWired makes it easy to set up automatic inventory management. Don't forget to enable the Track Inventory option so you'll know exactly when to reorder. The fifth thing you should do is set up shipping options. This is where ShopWired gives you flexibility, allowing you to define different shipping methods and prices based on location. You can also offer free shipping on certain products or orders over a certain amount. This can be a game changer for increasing your average order value. The sixth thing to consider is adding variations. For products with different sizes, colors, or features, ShopWired lets you add these options directly within the product page. So whether you're launching a new t-shirt with multiple sizes or a gadget with different features, this will help you organize your product in a way that's easy for customers to navigate. The seventh thing you'll want to do is set up your product's visibility and SEO settings. Under the SEO tab, you can add a custom URL, meta description, and keywords. This will help improve your product's visibility on search engines. It's a small step that can make a huge difference in driving organic traffic to your store. Finally, double-check everything: pricing, descriptions, images, and make sure it's all set up exactly how you want it. When everything looks good, you can click Save and make the product live. Now, while ShopWired has its perks, like its easy-to-use interface and built-in features for new product launches, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Some competitors offer more advanced features and integrations, especially for businesses that need greater customization or have a larger inventory. That's why I recommend checking out Competitor Name, which is tailored for those who want more flexibility with product variations, shipping options, and SEO. Not to mention, their free trial gives you access to premium features you might need down the line. The best part? If you use our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial and some amazing benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So whether you stick with ShopWired or explore alternatives, the choice is yours, but make sure you've got the tools you need to launch your product successfully.